Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to find the cube root of 91,125. For finding the cube root of any number, we need to find the prime factors of that number. And for finding the prime factors, we need to do the prime factorization or the long division method. Prime factors are the factors of a number which are prime numbers. So we will be using the long division or the prime factorization method for finding the cube root of this number. The first four prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. As we see that this is an odd number, so we are going to try dividing it by the prime number 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Then 11, so 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 will be carried over to the next place, so that this becomes 22. So 3 times 7 is 21, and then this becomes 15, so 3 times 5 is 15. Now again this is an odd number, so we are going to try 3 again. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 5 is 15. Let's try 3 again. So 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 3 is 9, then 2 will be carried over here, so this becomes 22, so 3 times 7 is 21, and 3 times 5 is 15. To find whether this number is divisible by 3 or not, we can do the divisibility test. That is, we can add all these numbers and find the sum of these numbers. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 13, and 13 plus 5 is 18. So 18 is the sum of all these digits, and that is divisible by 3. That means this number is divisible by 3. This is a divisibility rule for number 3. So 3 times 1, 3 times 1, 3 times 2, and then 15 will be there, so 3 times 5. So the sum of all these numbers is 9, so that means it is divisible by 3. So 3 times 3 will be carried over to the next place, so this becomes 22. 3 times 7 is 21, and 3 times 5 is 15. So 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 5 is 15. Now we see that the sum of all these digits is 8. 1 plus 2 plus 5 is 8. 8 is not fully divisible by 3. So we are going to use the next prime number, which is 5. 5 times 2 and 5 times 5. And then 5 times 5 is 25. And then 5 times 1. Now we got all the factors of this number. So we'll write this number as the product of the factors. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 5. So these are all the factors of this number. Now we need to find the cube root of the number. So we will use the cube root sign on both sides. So this is cube root of 91,125. Now as we are finding the cube root, we can write these numbers as cubes. So this is 3 cube, and 5 cube. So this becomes 3 cube times 3 cube times 5 cube, and this is cube root. Now cube root of 91,125 is equal to, as all these numbers are in cube, so these can come out of the cube root sign. So this becomes 3 times 3 times 5, which is equal to 45. So the cube root of 91,125 is 45. This is our final answer. We are going to box the answer. So this is how you can find the cube root of any number. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.